What's up, guys? I got 2007, 2008 Sweet Shot basketball, and I'm gonna crack this open right now. See if we get something good. Okay. All right. Nice little case. Steven Jackson base card on the front. Okay, start off with Steven Jackson. Oh, whoops. Okay, Steven Jackson base card numbered 28 out of 350. See you know what I mean? Alright, we'll go to the back card since that usually has something else. Okay, we have a dual jersey card of Shane Battier and Steve Francis. Alright, next card. Got okay, I have a Chris Wilcox Sweet Stitches jersey. There's like a little blue thing right here. Okay, next card is, I'll slide it out this way. Okay, it's a Jamario Davidson on-ball auto sweep beginning signatures, numbered 367 out of 699. It's a rookie card. Next card is, oh, that's not bad. Okay, a J.R. Smith on-ball auto, numbered 95 out of 197. And then the final card is, okay, Ben Gordon on-ball auto, numbered 147 out of 369. Okay, so I got 3 autos out of this. That's pretty sick. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Alright, bye.